Absorption rate. If you watch my market updates in the past, you've heard that term a lot. So what does it mean? I'm Anh-Dao Trend with the Walker team. Let's add some real estate vocabulary to your repertoire. Absorption rate is a telling sign of the demand for housing in a particular sector of the market. Simply put, the rate is achieved by dividing the amount of pending homes by the amount of homes for sale. That percentage is your absorption rate. A rate above 70% usually equates to a strong seller's market. If the rate is over 100%, the market cannot keep up with the demand. A rate below 40% indicates a fairly strong buyer's market. So there you go, absorption rate defined. If there are any videos that you would find helpful, reach out to me in the link below. And remember, I'm here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. See you soon.